Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, if 11 kg of barley is required to make a food for 220 people, then how many kilograms will be needed to make a food for 1580 people? Here we have given that 11 kg of barley required to make food for 220 peoples. So, weight of barley required to make a food for one person is given by weight of barley, that is 11 kg divided by number of peoples, that is 220. So it is 1 by 20 kg. Okay. Now, weight of barley to make food for 1580 people is given by 1580 into 1 by 20. So it is 79 kg. Okay. Hence, 79 kg of barley is used to make food for 1580 people.